In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the assets for your tic-tac-toe game. So I'm going to start off with a blank presentation. I'm going to delete the test default template. Okay, now I have my blank canvas inside Keynote. Go to my document tab, change the slide size to custom, and all of my assets are going to be 200 by 200. Okay, these are the little assets for the tic-tac-toe game. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to change the background color. So I want to have no fill. Okay, so now I'm going to create some transparent pictures. Now remember, inside our shapes library, we have things like crosses and ticks. Like I know you normally have a cross, X, and an O, but really we can have whatever we want. So let's add another blank one. So they could just be ticks and crosses if you want. Or you could create your own hoop if you'd like to have a hoop. Now for my dash, because I'm going to have dashes when they're not selected. So I'm going to have this object here. Just going to rotate it, click on the format and rotate it so it goes lengthways. Okay, and then if I right click on it, I can go to make editable, and then I can grab my little nodes and delete them. Okay, so as I delete these, my shape will start to change. Okay, and then I can gradually create my dash shape. Okay, so if I want them blue, they can be blue, or I can change the style of them to make them white. Okay, so from here, I'm going to export them. So File, Export to Images, choose a PNG, make sure it exports with transparent backgrounds, pop them onto my desktop. Okay, then from my desktop, I've got my assets file. I want to name them appropriately. So for my X, I'm going to call it capital X. For my tick, I'm going to call it capital O. And for my hyphen, I'm going to put a hyphen. Okay, this will make it a little bit easier when I call them later on. Okay, from here, I can just simply drag them into my asset library in Xcode.